In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the pineapple to do two things. One is that I am going to use the skin of the pineapple to make a refreshing drink. Two, I'm going to be using the whole pineapple itself alongside celery to make a great drink that is also wonderful for your immune system. By the way, I'm Queen D, and welcome to my kitchen where I show you how to cook vegan, vegetarian, and healthy Caribbean food.
You will need one whole pineapple. Place the pineapple in your sink or wherever you will be washing it. You can apply some soap or bleach. I use vinegar. Now, you gotta make sure that you give this pineapple a good scrub. Remove the top of the pineapple. You could even place the top in some soil if you want to grow your own pineapple. Use a very sharp knife to remove the skin of the pineapple. I don't have a special way to remove the skin, probably you do, but what I do is that I just turn it around and peel it as I go along. Make sure that you have a pot on the stove with enough water to make your pineapple drink. When the water is boiling, add the pineapple skin to the water, cover it, and turn the stove off. This is my pineapple juice that has been steeped overnight in water. What I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm just going to strain it. The sweetener that I will be using today is Swerve. It is a great tasting natural sweetener without the bitter aftertaste. It is made from fruits and vegetables with no artificial ingredients or preservatives. The ingredients in Swerve does not affect your blood sugar, so it does not spike your insulin. You could also use monk sugar or Truvia. This is a great substitute for diabetics or if you just simply want to cut back on your sugar. If you are in a country where you cannot get these sugars, my next option would be brown sugar. I will be using the juice of 2 freshly squeezed lemons. You can use whatever equipment you have to extract the juice of the lemon, or you could simply use your hands. And if you like your drink on the tangy side, feel free to add more freshly squeezed lemon juice to your pineapple drink. What I will do sometime is I will add some strawberries or some kiwi, or it could be your favorite fruit, and just make this into a tropical paradise. Next, I will be adding my freshly squeezed ginger juice that I use my Nana juicer to make. But if you don't have a juicer, just grate your ginger and juice it and strain it, and it will work just the same way.
Alright, let's get to our drink. Of course, you know, this is here for decoration purposes, but you know what? If you want, you could just do a little squeeze in it again, swish it around. This is so refreshing, like on a hot summer day. So refreshing.
If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend. Stay tuned for part 2 where I show you how to make my immune booster juice.